Okay, so I now have the stone structure I can build. I no longer have my item debug, so I have to actually craft them. I made the crafting recipes. I only made them one stone to start off with here. Let me grab some stone, and I'll try to build just a tiny stone house to see what it looks like. So now in the crafting, I go to the structures. I have the wood and the stone. So let me craft a foundation. And I'll craft a few other pieces here. Okay, so I got a few pieces here to make this house. And let me see if I can make a ramp if I have enough materials left. And there we have it. So the stone is now also, yeah, there's this interaction now where you can destroy the wall or press E to interact. So if I press E here, it opens the door. It closes it. And then I can now demolish. It says hold X to demolish. So I'm on the ramp here. I might make that a little bit quicker, but right now it's at 5 seconds. So we now have the stone materials here to build stone houses instead of just wood.